Getting ready. Before you head out to go Nordic total body fitness walking, you first need to get yourself set up. Boomya Tone & Trek poles include many innovative features that make them exceptionally easy and intuitive to use. There are 3 quick steps to get ready: picking your pole tips, adjusting the pole length, and strapping into the poles. Let's go through each of these steps. Step 1. Pick your pole tips. Determine the best pole tips to use for optimal traction based on where you'll be walking. Boomya Tone & Trek poles come with 2 types of tips so that you can use the poles on any type of surface. For harder surfaces such as sidewalks, roads, and indoor tracks or malls, use the rubber traction feet. Note that the toe of the rubber foot should be facing backwards, behind the walker. Only Boomya Tone & Trek has a special key-shaped design that ensures that the rubber traction feet are always facing the correct direction. For softer surfaces, such as dirt trails or grass, simply remove the rubber traction foot and use the steel tip that's attached to the bottom of the poles. Step 2. Adjust the pole length. The next step is to adjust the length of the poles. Only Boomya Tone & Trek poles have an innovative easy flip lock system, so you can quickly and easily adjust the length of the poles to custom fit to your specific needs. All other adjustable poles use a more complicated and difficult to use twist lock system. Generally, the ideal length is achieved when you bend your arm at the elbow, forming a 90-degree right angle when holding the grip of the pole in front of you. If you're a beginner, you may find it a bit easier if the poles are a little shorter. As you get more experienced, or if you want a more intensive workout, you may find it better to use slightly longer poles. To adjust Tone & Trek poles, simply flip open the Easy Flip Lock, slide the poles to the desired length, and flip the lock closed. It's that simple. When the lock is closed, it should hold the poles tight to prevent them from moving while in use. Give it a quick check to be sure. If for some reason they're not completely tight, you can easily adjust the tightness of the lock by tightening the screw on the side of the lock. Both poles should be the same length. Note the numbering system on the bottom pole shaft. This can be used as a time saver to help you remember your customized length. Step 3. Strap in. Now you're ready to strap into the poles. Note that there is a right hand and left hand strap for maximum comfort and effectiveness. To use the Tone & Trek straps, simply insert your hand all the way into the glove as shown, with the black elastic piece between your thumb and forefinger. Then pull the glove strap around so that it's attached to the Velcro part on top of your hand. Adjust so that it's snug yet comfortable. That's all there is to it. No complicated or difficult to adjust straps like many others offer. Tone & Trek straps have been custom designed to be very intuitive, easy, and convenient to use. Do the same with the other hand, and you're ready to go Nordic walking. Boomya Tone & Trek poles also provide a special feature that no other Nordic walking poles offer: a unique quick release button on top that allows you to quickly and easily release the straps from the poles without the hassle of removing your hands from the straps. This makes it very convenient to do things such as grabbing your water bottle, answering a cell phone, or tying your shoes. To release the strap, simply press down lightly on the quick release button and pull the strap out of the pole handle. When you're ready to go again, just insert the plastic piece of the strap into the handle until it's all the way in. You should hear it click. Give it a quick tug to make sure it's in tightly, and you're ready to go. Note that the teeth of the plastic piece should be facing up and the smooth side facing down. To recap, getting ready to use Tone & Trek poles takes only seconds. First pick your tips, then adjust the pole length, and then strap in. Now it's time to go Nordic walking.